And more than dance, I love your mashup. You got so famous from your mashups.
Yeah.
So today I want to let's do some mashup.
Okay. Lucky, lucky girl, she got married to a boy like you. Ram chahe leela chahe ram.
Mariam, do you believe in manifestation?
Oh, 120%. First of all, Manpreet, thank you for calling me. I think any woman in the UAE who's seen your journey, they would have been waiting for this moment where they could talk to you.
गाड़ी में खरीद सकती हूँ, घर में खरीद सकती हूँ, ऐसी क्या चीज़ है जो मेरी औकात के बाहर है? So मेरे दिमाग में पता नहीं क्यों प्राइवेट जेट आया. I have so many questions in my mind. I've been watching you for almost 4-5 years, and I really wanted to ask those questions, but you know how busy we are in Dubai. पहली बात तो I love your mashup. You are a mashup queen in Dubai. You speak Gujarati?
I'm not proud of this, but I speak little Gujarati. थोड़ू थोड़ू.
You lived in Sharjah.
कुछ शोशागिरी नहीं है. आप जाओगे, you will get 5 dirhams, 2 dirhams की shawarma, chai, all of that you still get in Dubai, but you are living in that in Sharjah. Dubai is that salmon dish designer. Sharjah is your shawarma and dal chawal. Akshari हिलना शुरू कर दिया.
Got it.
तो उसमें मैंने गाना गा दिया.
Uh-huh.
And then they're like, why don't you come and just sing a little bit on a show?
No way.
हाँ.
वेलकम बैक टू किरपा शो गाइस. अगर आप दुबई में रहते हो तो आपने हमारे आज के गेस्ट की आवाज कहीं ना कहीं जरूर सुनी होगी और आपने उनको कहीं ना कहीं जरूर देखा होगा. लेट मी वेलकम वेरी ब्यूटीफुल, वेरी टैलेंटेड आरजे, डांसर, सोशल मीडिया कंटेंट क्रिएटर एंड एक्टर, Miss Mariam. Welcome to Kirpa Show, Mariam. Thank you so much for taking our time.
First of all, Manpreet, thank you for calling me. I think any woman in the UAE who's seen your journey, they would have been waiting for this moment where they could talk to you. So thank you.
And same goes to you. I've been wanting, as I mentioning earlier, I really want to, I have so many questions in my mind. I've been watching you for almost 4-5 years. And I really wanted to ask those questions, but you know how busy we are in Dubai, and I never got a time ke baith ke baat kare. And I think this would be the perfect question. I want to start with very beginning. Pehli baat to, I love your mashup. You are a mashup queen in Dubai. And people, I know you by face. Like I know your voice before I got to know about Mariam, like this Mariam. है ना? आपकी आवाज़ सुनी है रेडियो पे, and then you became very famous on social media. So I want to know, like everybody knows this Mariam, the famous one. Behind this, like how about your family background? Where are you from? Because आप बहुत mix हो. You look like a very Dubai kid. So where are you from?
तो मैं Gulf baby हूँ. That's what I introduce myself as, because I was born in Gujarat, Surat. So मैं सूरत से हूँ. And as soon as I was born, 6 months later, I came to Bahrain. I went to Bahrain. तो Bahrain, I was there for 8 years. और उसके बाद I think in grade 4 I came to Dubai.
Oh, amazing.
तो
So
grade
you're
4 से इधर ही
a
हूँ.
Gulf kid.
हाँ, like Dubai kid बोल सकते हो, but like yeah, Gulf kid. Yeah,
Amazing.
technically.
So you speak Gujarati?
I'm not proud of this, but I speak little Gujarati.
Okay.
समझ सकती हूँ, but unfortunately, growing up, I did not speak enough.
Right.
वही
And
problem है.
you didn't live in Gujarat, so
Correct.
that
Exactly.
also-
I hardly lived in Gujarat.
Amazing,
Yeah. थोड़ा
amazing.
बहुत, थोड़ू थोड़ू.
Amazing. So I got to know that you lived in Sharjah and you grew up in Sharjah.
Yeah.
Can you tell us more about Sharjah, how it used to be? Because we seen this Dubai, this UAE,
Yeah.
which is all blingy and
Yeah.
all that. So I want to know, while growing up, how was it?
Even you will, I think understand कि हम लोग इस luxury life में रह रहे हैं. But if you want to go and just have street food, or you want to have this home comfort food, that is Sharjah. That is what it is. कुछ शोशागिरी नहीं है. आप जाओगे, you will get 5 dirhams, 2 dirhams की shawarma, chai, all of that you still get in Dubai, but you are living in that in Sharjah.
Right.
You just go down, बहुत कुछ मिल सकता है, बहुत cheap तरीके, literally anything that you want, you get it for such a beautiful price, and everybody there knows each other. That was Sharjah for me, and it has always been home for me.
Wow.
अभी भी आप जाओगे ना, same है.
Right.
There's no like in terms of luxury and everything, it's still almost the same. So it's beautiful.
Amazing. Now you live in Dubai. So what is the difference between Sharjah and Dubai, what do you feel? Is it Sharjah, by like, if you have to live in a city, is Sharjah better or Dubai?
See, I think Dubai is, in terms of opportunities and everything, it is a lot better. But being a Sharjah girl, I've always loved Sharjah. If it was not for the traffic,
Yeah,
I
traffic
think
is
I would
horrible.
still be in Sharjah a little bit. Maybe upgrade my house from a 2 to 3 bedroom or something. But I think if it was not for the traffic, I would have still been in Sharjah.
I agree, Mariam. You know what happens? Like, wherever you grow, even if it's a village, middle of nowhere, you always have that soft feeling, that soft corner. For a place where you grew up, you know, those
You will know that
galiyan.
better, Manpreet.
Yeah, I love. मैं पिंड से हूँ, पंजाब से है ना.
Exactly.
And no city or country in the world can beat that feeling. जब मैं वहाँ पे जाती हूँ, मेरी सारी मेमोरीज बचपन की वापस आ जाती है. तो आई कैन रिलेट विद यू, है ना.
100%.
चाहे आप बुर्ज खलीफा में घर ले लो, बट वो गाँव का खेत, वो मोटर, सब कुछ याद रहेगा आपको.
Exactly. I'll just say, like, Dubai is that salmon dish designer. Sharjah is your shawarma and dal chawal. That is how I would explain it, really.
Amazing.
Comfort.
Any one memory, like best memory you have with Sharjah while growing up?
तो मैं अबू शगारा में रहती थी. Okay, so that's like that's on Al-Wahda Street, a little bit near Al-Wahda Street. तो अबू शगारा park में जाके, my sister and me, we used to go and, you know, sit on the swings. And from my house to Abu Shagara Park, with our tiny little legs, it used to take us 15 minutes to walk there. And that walk, मम्मी के साथ हम लोग हमेशा मम्मी को बोलते थे, मुझे ये लेना है ग्रोसरी से, मुझे च्युइंगम लेना है, मुझे M&Ms लेना है, मुझे. So that 15-minute walk I'll never forget to the park. That I'll never forget.
That's so beautiful.
It's beautiful memory.
I can imagine. I can imagine. You know, and I feel those memories while growing up always stays in your subconscious mind. हम लोग बहुत busy हो जाते हैं life में, totally on the other side of the world, है ना. But sometime when flashback comes, तो आपको वो जमीन पे ले आते हैं कि आप कहाँ से उठ के कहाँ पे आए.
Exactly.
So I agree with you. Amazing. And now the most interesting part, my audience is waiting to know, how did you become RJ?
तो नसीब की बात है, आई एम टेलिंग यू, एंड इट प्लेज सच अ बिग रोल. मैं कॉलेज के टाइम से, एक्चुअली लिटिल आफ्टर कॉलेज, जब लाइसेंस लगा मुझे, आई स्टार्टेड लिसनिंग टू सिटी 1016 एंड रेडियो इन जनरल. लेकिन आई थिंक द फर्स्ट थिंग आई वन ऑन द रेडियो वॉज अरिजीत सिंह के कॉन्सर्ट के टिकट्स.
Oh, the travel one.
No, before that.
Acha.
Before the travel one, I won concert ke tickets, Arijit Singh. It was happening at Hard Rock Cafe in DFC. And this was on City 1016 only. So I said, now I'll listen to this channel only.
Okay.
ऐसे करते, I heard this channel. And they were again giving tickets to another country.
Amazing.
And that competition, पूरी की पूरी team भी साथ में आने वाली थी.
Got it.
So I won that. My friend also won that the next day. We all went to Prague together.
Wow.
और सिटी टूर बस में हम लोग ने अंताक्षरी खेलना शुरू कर दिया.
Got it.
तो उसमें मैंने गाना गा दिया.
Uh-huh.
And then they're like, why don't you come and just sing a little bit on a show?
No way.
हाँ. I was like, okay, what? And then finally they called me one day and they said, listen, why don't you audition for an RJ?
For the same channel.
Yeah.
Wow.
And then 10 years down, I'm sitting here in front of
Kismat.
you.
And you've been with the same channel for
10
years.
Yeah.
Wow.
I think after you join City 1016, it's no other station in your mind.
Is that good?
Yeah. I think it's beautiful. They take care of you in a lot of different ways.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
No, good to hear that. Not many people appreciate,
Yeah.
their workplace, but that shows that you are a really good employee, and they make sure and they take care of
100%.
you as well.
No, they do very well.
No, that's amazing. And so that's very interesting. You know, किस्मत कहाँ से कहाँ ले जाती है.
You know, hard work is very important, and you also know sometimes luck also plays such a
agree.
big role.
Timing, I would say.
Timing,
right
100%.
time, right opportunity.
Absolutely. And grab those opportunities. Sometimes people don't grab it.
That's true.
Just grab it.
Mariam, do you believe in manifestation?
Oh, 120%. And without realizing, I have manifested things that I am living in right now.
Wow.
Without realizing. And what I learned about manifestation very recently, which I don't know if you are very big on manifestation, so I'll ask you. Sometimes we manifest for the wrong things also, and we don't realize it.
True.
small, I'll just give you an example. Let's say I want this cup, but I forget to ask for this cup with water. So I only get an empty cup. तो बहुत सारा कुछ ऐसे किया कि मुझे यही चाहिए, but I forget to actually manifest for the right things. So that is something I'm working on.
No, absolutely. No, I agree with you. I am very big on it. And again, what you mentioned earlier, कि unknowingly you manifested this life.
Exactly.
है ना? And I felt when you said this sentence, मुझे लगा कि मैं अपने आप से बात कर रही हूँ. Whatever I am today, whatever life I'm living, even my husband is all because of manifestation. I literally manifested, and I think it's the most powerful thing on this planet Earth. Again, with manifestation with actions. ऐसे नहीं है कि हाँ घर पे बैठ जाओ और आपका सब कुछ ठीक हो जाए.
100%. Yeah, that's exactly. People think manifestation is just sitting at home and praying, but it's a lot more than that.
True. And it's sad कि हमें कोई early age में बताता ही नहीं है. हमें खुद सीखना पड़ा. स्कूल में चलो I don't know.
How did you learn it though? How did you learn manifestation?
I think I was a naturally manifester. मेरे घर पे ना environment बहुत positive है. तो मेरे पेरेंट्स भी बहुत हमेशा पॉजिटिव है. लाइक वी आर फ्रॉम लोअर मिडिल क्लास फैमिली एंड हमेशा घर पे तंगी रही है. खाने की तंगी, कपड़ों की तंगी, स्कूल फीस की तंगी, सब चीज़ की तंगी रही है. पर मैंने अपने पेरेंट्स को वाइल ग्रोइंग अप उनके चेहरे पे कभी भी शिकन नहीं देखी, सैडनेस नहीं देखी, कभी क्वेश्चन मार्क नहीं देखा कि अच्छा हमारे साथ क्यों हो रहा है, बच्चों की स्कूल फीस नहीं पे कर पा रहे, हमारे साथ ही ऐसा क्यों हो रहा है. हंस के कर देते थे वो. अगर वो प्रॉब्लम में भी थे हंस के करते थे. तो आई थिंक वो ट्रांसफॉर्म होगी मेरे में. और मैं भी बहुत अप एंड डाउन से निकली हूँ. तो मैंने शिकन नहीं आई मेरे फेस पे, मैंने कभी कंप्लेन नहीं की. आई थिंक दैट रियली वर्कड आउट फॉर मी. ऑलवेज थॉट पॉजिटिव अबाउट एवरीथिंग. तो आई थिंक वट यू मैंशन अर्लियर कि आप कई बार गलती से रॉन्ग मैनिफेस्टेशन भी कर लेते हो. तो ये मैं बहुत जल्दी 5-6 साल पहले मैंने समझ लिया था एंड आई वर्कड ऑन इट. एंड अब आज के दिन आई एम डिल्यूजनल टू नेक्स्ट लेवल. मैं अपनी दूसरी दुनिया में रहती हूँ. मैं ऐसी दुनिया में रहती हूँ जो नॉर्मल इंसान को मैं बताऊंगी वो मेरे पे हंसेंगे कि ये पागल है, क्या बात कर रही है.
But you've achieved something. I'm telling you, a lot of people would have never imagined from where you have come to what you have achieved. My goodness, Manpreet.
अभी तो कुछ भी नहीं है. दिस इज स्टार्टिंग. जो मेरे दिमाग में चल रहा है वो तो दुनिया के दूसरे तरफ है.
I love it.
I will be creating legacy which the generations will remember.
कृपा for generations.
हाँ, कोई आया था इस दुनिया पे. तो मैं हमेशा अपने हस्बैंड से बात करती हूँ कि मुझे अगले 1 साल के लिए प्लानिंग नहीं करनी, मुझे 200 साल की प्लानिंग करनी है. कि मैं चली जाऊँगी, मेरे बच्चे भी इस दुनिया से चले जाएंगे, मेरे पोते पड़पोते, उनको मेरा नाम याद रहना चाहिए. तो 200 साल बाद की प्लानिंग कर रही हूँ मैं. कल तो मुझे पता है आई एम गोना मेक इट टुमारो, नेक्स्ट ईयर, आफ्टर 10 years. बट 200 साल के बाद की बात है.
I love this.
चलो नेक्स्ट वन. Recently, a few months ago, I saw that you shifted to your new house. And I literally followed the entire journey. बिकॉज हर लड़की का सपना होता है एक एक चीज़ चुननी, बेड का कलर, सोफे का कलर, क्लॉजेट का कलर. सो आई एक्चुअली followed your journey, going to store, picking up stuff, designing, fitting. I want to know more about your house.
So पहले तो just a little backstory. I moved out of Mama Papa's house 2 to 3 years ago. They are here only. Everything was great. I was sharing a room with my sister. We had a 2-bedroom Dubai में. But there was this thing just telling me कि थोड़ा और grow करना है as a person. घर का काम कुछ नहीं करती थी मैं. So I was like थोड़ा just to get that space and to learn from that. I moved out of my parents' house. It took me a while because obviously parents, they're emotional about it. So I said, give me some time. And then when I moved out, relationship became so much better. So I could open up. पहले Sports City गई. There I stayed about 2 years. And then I moved back closer to Mama Papa. And now the thing begins. ये unfurnished apartment था. And a very dear friend, Arpita, she's the one who helped me with this. So she's an interior designer. Again, you should get her also on this podcast.
Absolutely, we'd love to.
She's so good. And she was in my college. And she's a beautiful interior designer. Now, I only told her one thing. मेरा problem ये है कि I am not very detail oriented in terms of, I'm more vibe oriented. Like सब कुछ देख के हाँ मुझे ये चाहिए वैसा. I just told her 2 things. I said I want colors in my hall that when I enter, my mind is calm because my mind is very chaotic.
Right.
बहुत ही झटाक मुझे नहीं चाहिए. I want to come to earthy colors. And there's a theme called Japandi. अगर आप हाँ, it's Japan DDI.
Okay.
So you just look through that and this is exactly what my hall is.
Really?
हाँ, तो जब मैं enter करूँगी, my passage is the boho, like, you know, a little of plants, a little bit of boho and all of that. Then you enter, it's Japandi. So curves, earthy colors, little greens and all of that.
Wow.
And then मेरे room में, which is obviously a very personal thing to me, I love purple color. If you see, this is the first ring I bought ever and I still wear it.
It's purple.
Stones are also a little gone, I guess, but it's amethyst, so it's purple color.
Amazing.
Yeah, and I never remove this. So I tell her, please put a little bit of purple into my room. And she did that exactly.
Wow.
And I've not seen it. After 2 days, this is my brief to her. After 2 days, I enter, and that's what it is. So I love going back home. I love.
No, that's
what
how
she's
it
done.
should be, you know, like your house. हम देसियों में क्या है ना, हम लोग इग्नोर कर देते हैं. हम लोग we look for a cheapest options and we think अच्छा घर ही है, बेड ही है, कहीं से भी खरीद लो, कारपेट ही है, कहीं से भी खरीद लो. But that theme, your vision, your vibe should match the house theme. You know?
100%.
So I agree with you. And मैंने भी बहुत सालों तक, क्योंकि जिस बैकग्राउंड से हम आते हैं ना, हमारे लिए वही बहुत होता है कि हम बेड है, सोफा है, होना चाहिए बस. हाँ,
बस exactly.
तो हमें टेस्ट नहीं होता है ना. तो आई लर्न few years ago and now I'm also building my house and मैं जो आपका देखी थी ना मैंने सारी सीरीज, exactly मैं सीरीज बनाऊंगी.
Amazing. Please do.
Next
Please
1
do.
week में.
I'm still waiting. Next to your house, you get your private jet.
Oh yes. तो
I'm manifesting that for you.
Thank you. So again, same thing. I want a house where when I go back home, it should be calm because my work is so intense,
draining, of course,
so aggressive. तो घर पे जाके बस एक शांति हो, subtle color, light, dim.
Perfect. Try looking at Japandi.
ये
Japandi
store है?
Interior नहीं interior design, मतलब this is a theme.
अच्छा.
So if you just go and see Japandi interior design, you will see they'll give you options.
Right.
Pinterest is your best friend.
Okay.
Go and enjoy.
इतनी patience नहीं है.
I know.
But yeah, so tell me, since you already tasted that house, and if I'll give you 1 million dirham, I give you 1 million dirham.
You have enough.
What would you do with that?
If I get 1 million dirhams today, like I told you off air, I would build a business. I think because I can make that 1 million, 10 million and like move on from there. And then I know my family is okay. I'm going to be okay for years to come. And then house though will be built with that 10 million that I make from the 1 million.
Absolutely.
So I think that's something I'll do.
Amazing. And if you have to buy a house for yourself, like a dream home in Dubai, which community would you buy?
I really, really like Dubai Hills Estate.
Yeah.
I've just visited that vicinity and I think it's a beautiful one.
Beautiful.
It's not very far from everywhere. There's a mall, there's everything. And I feel like right now if I have to buy it, it would be there.
Absolutely. And it's a city within a city. It's one of my favorite community. मैं रही हूँ उस community में 1 साल. तो school, hospital, mall, सब कुछ वहीं है. आपको वहाँ निकलने की ज़रूरत नहीं है वहाँ.
Yeah. And it's very close to, like if I have to go to work as well.
10 minutes.
10 minutes, literally.
हर जगह से. पाम जुमेरा से भी, मरीना से भी, दुबई downtown से भी, हर जगह.
It's on the highway and no Salik.
Oh yes. आने वाला है वैसे LKL road पे.
अरे यार. Middle class problems. Think of Salik.
But yeah, I mean like that is one of the best communities so far in Dubai.
Yeah.
And our dream house is in Dubai Hills Estate. Me and my husband sometimes
really?
we go there for a walk and we always visit our dream house.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's
So we know we're
amazing.
gonna buy that in future.
100%.
It's a 100 million dirham house. But हम
It's
लोग
a 100 million dirham house.
हाँ 100 million का घर है. हम लोग बस आगे से बस walk करके आ जाते हैं.
That's
just
okay.
go there.
You're saying hi to your future house.
Yeah. So I always go and सामने खड़ के 1 मिनट के लिए मैं अपने हस्बैंड को बोलती है वहाँ पे मैं अपने शू क्लोजेट बनाऊंगी, यहाँ पे तुम्हारी गाड़ी, यहाँ पे मेरी गाड़ी, यहाँ पे सर्वेंट्स की गाड़ी लगेगी. So I always सामने खड़े होके हम लोग ऐसे प्लान कर रहे होते हैं.
Amazing.
We know it's our house. I know
Yeah.
someone is already living in that house, but we will like if it's 100 million, they don't want to move out. We will give them 200 million.
This is what we'll manifest for Manpreet today.
वो कहीं और जाएंगे.
100%.
Yeah, that's what we do.
We're going to cut this clip and I'm going to keep it with me. And then when you make it there, I'm going to just show. I was like, look.
Oh yes.
It's
They will
recorded.
literally talk like this. और लोग ना अगर लोग हमें सुनेंगे ना, मेरे हस्बैंड को और मुझे ऐसे बोलते हुए, वो सोचेंगे ये लोग पागल है, दिमाग खराब हो गया इनके, delusional है हम.
Delulu is best, so Lulu.
हाँ.
And it's the best way to go forward.
Amazing. So Mariam, how did you start content creation?
You know, it's a very interesting question because I don't really remember starting my Instagram thinking मैं content creation करूँगी. Okay? तो मैंने I think I started on Instagram first only and I just posted random. Papa's like, okay, you can sing, we'll create videos. I used to start posting those videos. Then random वो क्या कहते हैं वो dub smash. I don't know what
yes,
it was.
I remember. Before TikTok.
Exactly. So right before Dub Smash closed, I think I made one video on it and I posted on Instagram and I just continued because I loved being in front of the camera. If I show you my baby videos also, and Papa used to take the camera, I used to be in front of the camera only all the time.
Wow.
Bachpan se. And then randomly COVID hit. Okay? Before that, I lost my Instagram account on 8K followers. Or उस time पे 8K, I was like, oh my god, I cried so much. Because
It used to be a big deal.
It used to be a big deal. It still is. I think in today's world as well, it is still a big deal. But I feel like जब COVID hit, I was still on the radio, but I just joined. Nobody was there to listen to me in the night show because lockdown था.
Alright.
तो I said मैं क्या करूँ, कोई है भी नहीं रोड पे, lockdown है. As media people, we get the permission to go out and do our work. But I said, okay, let me join TikTok. My friend Sanin told me, join TikTok. I said, okay. तो TikTok join किया मैंने. I started going live. I started making videos, dancing, singing. That just blew up.
Wow.
So as much as I thought कि radio will be that first place where people will see me or hear me, it was actually TikTok.
Wow.
And the first time I went viral was on TikTok.
Amazing.
And that's when the Kida started and I just continued and then the mashup happened organically and all of that.
No, you have done an amazing job and it's so inspiring, you know, and many people, many women look up to you. I know in my team, they always talk about you and they always say, okay, I told one of my team member I'm going to do a podcast. She was like, oh my God, you're going to do a podcast with her? I have a team member who is RJ, who's RJ from India and he joined Kirpa recently and he knows you guys like in and out. He follow you guys
I'm coming to
religiously.
your office soon.
Done.
Huh?
Please
I'm
do
coming
that.
to your office.
Come
Done.
to us. You will have so many fans.
100%.
And
Done.
You and Prikshit, and
Yes.
they love
Yes,
him and
yes.
you.
Yes,
And
100%.
They're obsessed
Okay,
with your social media. So I
I'll
want
come.
to introduce you.
Please, I will come. I will come.
Absolutely. Yeah. How do you feel being famous? Because after you became famous on social media, you must be getting a lot of interactions. When you go out, people must have come to you.
Yeah. See, it feels great, okay? Because हम लोग जो करते हैं, if we are putting ourselves out there, if I am, you know, doing a public job, which is being an RJ, if someone comes and tells you, we love listening to you, I love watching your videos, it feels so good. But I think you also, I don't know if you'll agree, कि compliments जब आते हैं ऐसे एक साथ, you don't know what to do. And you're like, oh, thank you. और क्या हम बोलें, right?
True.
After that. But inside, I cannot express कि बहुत अच्छा लगता है. It's like, you know whatever you're doing is for a reason.
Absolutely.
And if girls come and tell you ki we look up to you, that is the best
Blessing.
compliment that a woman can ever get in this day and age.
I agree.
It's the best compliment. So I think it's surreal.
I agree with you. And Mariam, I can totally relate with you.
Yeah.
आप तो चलो RJ हो, you know how to talk and you're an extrovert person, I think, right?
Yeah.
And I was totally opposite. When
Yeah,
I got
know.
I got famous accidentally because I was so open and extrovert on camera.
You were yourself.
हाँ, अगर
100%.
real में मिलोगे आप, मुझे पता ही नहीं था कि बात कैसे करनी है stranger से. I didn't know how to talk to strangers. I can talk for hours to someone who I know. ऐसे अगर आप बैठ जाएं, मैं 2 घंटे बात कर सकती हूँ. बट अगर कोई सामने से stranger जा रहा है and मुझे बात करनी है, I can't talk. And I was very shy and introvert. And when I got famous, I didn't know how to act. I would run. People would come to me to take a picture and I would make faces and I'm like, why are you talking to me? Why do you want picture with me? So I didn't know how to handle it. I didn't know I was famous. तो मुझे अभी 1.5 साल पहले पता चला कि मैं famous हूँ. मुझे बहुत सारे लोगों ने रियलाइज करवाया है, नाउ यू हैव टू स्टार्ट एक्टिंग लाइक यू आर समवन, है ना. पहले मैं एक्ट करती थी एज लाइक नॉर्मल पर्सन. तो so now I understood, today I understood I have a responsibility. I'm a public figure now.
100%.
So many
And
people
an
look
idol
up
and mentor and inspiration to hundreds.
अब मुझे मेरी responsibility पता चल गई है. So but earlier I didn't know. And again coming back to that too many compliments, yes, I used to get so awkward कि मैं अच्छा yes, I'm inspiring, yes, of course it's a beautiful feeling, है ना. But when it's too many, एक दिन में अगर आपको 30-40 लोग सेम चीज बोल रहे हैं, so वो
You're like,
हाँ कि क्या करें अभी, ना. But now I think I know what to say, like I've learned because I do this every day now.
I think your entire journey is about how, and I feel like looking at you now, Manpreet, and I'm not just saying this because I'm on the podcast. I think we've had chats and I've messaged as well. Ki looking at you, people can say ki if she can do it, we see ourselves that हम लोग कर सकते हैं, and giving that hope to people just by being yourself.
Exactly.
Is just
it was not planned. It was not planned. I never had a strategy in mind. It automatically happened.
So वो private jet वाला was not strategy, it just came to you.
Yeah, it was not planned. एक दिन मैं और मेरे husband बैठे थे and हम लोग discuss कर रहे हैं कि यार मुझे कुछ challenge करना अपने आप को. उस time पे ना I was going through a downfall. Someone did something bad to us financially. I lost everything I had, and I was sitting with my husband. And I told my husband, I'm not going to spoil my life crying. What do? I have to do something crazy, challenge myself so that I can get back again, stand up again. Then my husband is giving me example, ideas कि ये कर लो, वो कर लो. Then I was like, no, I have to do something crazy जो मेरी औकात के बाहर है.
Correct.
जो मुझे लगता है कि हाँ ये तो बहुत ही मुश्किल है. गाड़ी मैं खरीद सकती हूँ, घर में खरीद सकती हूँ. ऐसी क्या चीज़ है जो मेरी औकात के बाहर है. So मेरे दिमाग में पता नहीं क्यों प्राइवेट जेट आया. मैंने कहा प्राइवेट जेट. Same day I started making videos.
Amazing.
And so many people told me कि नहीं, why are you saying this openly? Why are you challenging yourself openly? What people will say? I'm like, who cares? I want to challenge myself, and actually that challenge is what took me, to a next level. Because of that challenge, I'm standing here, I'm sitting here today. So it actually helped.
And honestly, you're in an industry which is now in Dubai become so common, right? Everyone's doing it, but you stand out. People will come to you because I think they have that trust with you, because you sell emotions too. It's so beautiful to see that.
And I think being authentic is very important. मैंने आपका भी content देखा है. You're always very authentic. आपके कोई ऐसा नहीं है कि आप हमेशा बाल बने हुए हैं बिना मेकअप के.
नहीं होते 90% of the time.
हाँ, मैं भी ऐसी हूँ. Like I'm not the best. अभी मुझे करना पड़ता है थोड़ा शोशा.
No, but listen, you are very secure in the way you are, so that shows on camera.
I don't care कि मेरा कौन सा क्या angle है, बाल कैसे है, makeup कैसे है, लगा है नहीं लगा.
Two girls in front of the camera, and we both didn't know what side we have. We're like wherever we want to sit in the city. So that's amazing.
Wow, this is I mean like. कोई सोच नहीं सकता है कि ऐसा हो सकता है. I know girls who will be like spending 5 minutes मेरे बाल कैसे है, ये कैसे है. But it's okay.
I mean that's also their way of doing things. It's not wrong or right. But it's nice. It's beautiful.
Amazing. So as a woman in your industry, what do you feel?
This is a very male dominant industry. अगर आप देखोगे entertainment industry में, even in like Bollywood, let's say, the men are always leading.
Absolutely.
There are some really powerful women, yes, but men are in general always leading. और इस industry में, I think when a woman gets her voice, gets her power, and when other women see that and they say, you know what, just because you did it. For example, small choti si baat, I go on solo trips now. I love going on solo trips. It's beautiful. It teaches you so much, and there are so many married women, moms, single girls, all of them say, I wish we can do this. And I said, you can. You can. Absolutely. It's okay to get a little bit of your space. It's okay to go ahead. And there are women who message me saying, because of you, I'm now in Bali.
Wow.
Alone.
You inspire.
So I think a woman in this industry, if you have a voice, it's the most powerful thing if you don't misuse it.
No, absolutely.
Yeah.
No, I agree with you. And it's beautiful, like you... you just said that someone followed you and got inspired and they're in Bali. I get such messages every single day, and it's the best feeling.
Best feeling.
And you feel so responsible. You
Yeah.
start acting right. Okay,
Yeah.
okay, you have responsibility now. You need to know. You need to be very careful what you're posting.
100%.
You have you're actually contributing into the society.
Exactly.
It's not only you're living for yourself या फिर
Exactly.
family. आप
Exactly.
society में contribute कर रहे हैं. I think वो समझना बहुत जरूरी होता है. एक
Some
लड़के
people
को.
think it's okay to do whatever. Sometimes little responsible.
Responsible,
Yeah.
especially लड़कियों के लिए, because बहुत कम लड़कियां हैं जो इतनी bold हैं and
Yeah.
open हैं
Yeah.
or pursuing their career proudly and talk
Yeah.
about it. बहुत कम लड़कियां हैं, and we have to be responsible because
Yeah.
a lot of young girls are watching us,
Exactly.
and we are setting examples for them.
Exactly.
I love your dance videos. You are such a good dancer, and sometimes I was like, I wish I knew dance. I could
We'll dance
compete with you. सीखना पड़ेगा मुझे.
No problem.
And more than dance, I love your mashup videos. You got so famous from your mashups.
Yeah.
So today let's do some mashup.
Okay. Lucky girl, she got married to a boy like you. She'd kick you out if she ever knew about all the you tell me that you do. है राम चाहे लीला चाहे राम, इन दोनों के लव में दुनिया का क्या काम. इनका तो फंडा है सिंपल सा यार, गोली मारो तो पंगा, आँख मारो तो प्यार. Mommy don't know daddy's getting high at the body shop, doing something unholy. Ramta jogi, oi ramta jogi, hoi 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 hoi. मैं प्रेम दा प्याला पी आया, मैं प्रेम दा प्याला पी आया. Mommy don't know daddy's getting high at the body shop, doing something unholy. अप्सरा आली इंद्रपुरी तुन खाली पसरली लाली, स्याजानी रंग महाली सारी मधुशाला पी आया. एक पल में सदियाँ जी आया. मैं भी आया, मैं प्रेम प्याला पी आया, मैं जी आया. Mommy don't know daddy's getting high at the body shop, doing something unholy. Ramta jogi, hoi ramta jogi, hoi 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 hoi.
Oh my
I went breathless in between.
Oh my goodness. I had goosebumps and tear in my eyes.
Oh.
This is the first time I felt music or voice.
Oh, thank you.
बड़े बड़े सिंगर से नहीं मैंने आज तक कभी ऐसी फीलिंग आई. Oh my god.
Thank you.
That was so beautiful.
Thank you.
You did that?
Yeah. So randomly मैं शो पे थी, और उसी टाइम पे I think it was around the same time or just after COVID, I was doing the show alone, so nobody to talk to in between songs. So I heard Ram Leela, or I heard Ramta Jogi, one of this song, and Unholy was trending at the time.
Right.
So I'm like, let's see.
Wow.
Then I took my phone and I went to my friend who was at work. He's my best friend and he's a music manager of City. I said, listen, I'm going to take your reaction and just listen to this mashup. I just sang this mashup and his reaction was something else. So I said, okay, now I will shoot it properly. He's like, don't shoot it properly. Just post as it is, what you just took.
Wow.
So if you see my first mashup that went viral, my collar is inside, my hair is not made properly.
Wow.
I've just posted, and the next day I woke up, I had like 200k followers and extra, and my phone got stuck and his phone got stuck, and I'm like, okay, what has happened? Then the news team from India, 16 articles on us, and I was like, okay, this is mad. In the span of like 2 to 3 days.
No, that is amazing. That's soul touching,
Yeah, it's
But
beautiful.
you have such a beautiful voice. Have you ever tried in singing?
I have, but the thing is, so we got to be very self-aware about things. मैं एक trained singer नहीं हूँ. And when it comes to recording, all these little bit of, like live singing, I love doing. I love performing on stage and stuff like that. But when it comes to recording, you got to be very technical.
Right.
So I still need to learn. I'm hoping I get to learn soon. But because of that, I don't think I will hit that market. And I want to more honestly hit the acting market. So that's where I'm actually planning on to.
Amazing.
Singing
You want to become an
is-
actor?
I do.
Wow.
I do.
Tell me about it. I heard recently you have done
Yeah,
some
so two projects I've done. एक में you will not see me because मेरा जो part था वो cut हो गया है.
What?
वो Bloody Daddy में शाहिद कपूर के साथ it was in a movie. I had a small role in that. That scene got cut. So if you watch Bloody Daddy, please watch till the credits because my name is there in the credits. Okay. But उसके बाद just recently I completed a project and it's called Race Ka Badshah. It's India में you get these mini series. Vertical shots. So it's one episode. You have to pay 2 rupees to watch each episode. It's very nice. A lot of people in India watch it. It's a big format.
Right.
So I'm one of the villains.
amazing.
Villain in that. So yeah,
That's
it's
very
just now
interesting.
coming out.
Amazing. Have you done any acting classes or no?
No,
You're
nothing
natural.
I've done is a class. I don't think I've learned anything, which is sad now that I think about it.
You're natural.
But yeah, Papa actually is a singer.
Really?
But not a trained singer again. He used to just sit and sing. तो पापा के साथ बहुत सारा कुछ मैंने किया है like.
So ये खून में है आपके आवाज.
हाँ, correct. My sister also sings very beautifully.
Nice.
So,
nice.
yeah.
No, but if you were not a RJ, तो आप क्या बनते life में?
Actor.
Actor. That's
I think that's something even right now I feel like that's my end goal. That's somewhere I want to be. And I'm not talking about big, Bollywood film. Any kind of acting.
So, Mariam, before we end the podcast, I want to do a rapid fire with
Okay.
you. It's not going to be a Karan Johar one, not the cutthroat one.
Yeah.
It's going to be a nice one.
Done.
I want to know, tell us your favorite cuisine.
Italian.
Who's your favorite RJ?
She's an ex-RJ. Can I take her name?
Sure.
Malvika.
Acha.
She was in City 1016 and it's because of her. She helped me with the audition and everything. And I've always loved the way she does.
Amazing. That's nice. You supporting other
Yeah,
women.
I love.
But I really advise or request from next time you take your name.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. My favorite RJ, you want to know?
Yeah.
Mariam.
Yeah.
You want to know who's my favorite real estate agent?
Manpreet.
Yay.
Love it.
Great. If you have to choose one thing, would you choose being RJ, dancer or singer or actor? Of course, actor. क्या सवाल पूछ लिया? चलो actor remove कर दो. हाँ.
Actor remove. I think RJ and I'll tell you why. Because RJ में सब कुछ हो सकता है. RJ में sing भी कर सकते हो. RJ now that everything is on social media as well, you can dance as well.
Great.
I'll not be stuck to one thing.
Okay. So you have a client standing in front of you. He has 1 million dirham in his pocket. Itna bada gaddi. He wants to buy a property. Can you pitch?
Oh my God. This interview that you're doing. All I'll tell him is, listen, I'll get you more followers on Instagram. Just take
चलो perfect. बिक गई. बस अपना नाम बोल दो. I am Mariam.
Wow. I literally, I'm nervous after that question.
नहीं आपका नाम ही काफी है. I think. Tell us about your embarrassing on-air moment.
Embarrassing is only when, हम लोग off air जब listeners को बोलते हैं कि you cannot swear, you cannot abuse. Okay? और जो S वाला, SHIT वाला word है, that is also a bad word technically for radio, right?
Right.
And we say it very normally. But लोग बोल देते हैं, मतलब जोश में they don't win, अरे यार, and then they say it. And how we try to take it from there. अरे ऐसे मत बोलो, then they say it again. So बस वो काट के जब लोग हंसते हैं वो थोड़ा embarrassing होता है.
हाँ, normal लोग हैं.
Yeah,
normal लोग तो
exactly.
normally बात
Yeah,
करेंगे.
yeah, yeah.
Amazing. Thank you so much, Mariam. This was so much fun. Before we end the podcast, I want you to say something to all the young girls who are watching you. What would you like to say?
I think you will get a lot of opportunities your way. Obviously, sometimes you have to look for them. Sometimes it comes your way. Grab each and every opportunity. Sometimes we sometimes miss saying, "Arey ye acha nahi hoga, arey ye." Even the smallest opportunity you get, please grab it. I think that will help you grow and you'll understand yourself a lot more. Just continue doing that and you will reach places. That's all.
Amazing. Thank you, Mariam.
Thank you. I love you. You are amazing. And I felt so comfortable doing this podcast with you. बहुत अच्छा
Likewise.
लगा.
Thank you, Mariam. Thank you, everyone. Thank you for watching Kirpa Show. And if you want to see Mariam in Kirpa and as your sales agent, comment below this podcast and let's get Mariam to Kirpa.